Hi friends, it's me, Sushreeya, and today I'm going to be talking about a really interesting topic. And most of it has to do with our climate. Can you guess what it is? It's ocean waters or sea waters changing color. And also we will be talking about why this happens. And at the end, we'll be learning some cool fun facts. Well, first of all, there are two ways the oceans can change its color. The water of the oceans can change its color. The two ways is that one of them it's just a bungo combined. It can either be observing or transmitting or reflecting light and then change its color. Or it can be due to climate change. And most of the climate change, if it changes water, mostly has to do with our pollution. Let's first talk about the climate reasons. We have a lot of drainages in America. And in America, when those drainages come, most of the time, it comes as green, something rather than a clear, healthy water. And as we think that water is blue, it's actually a clear color. So when the drainages come out with really dirty and green, smelly water, it's going to affect our water. And it's going to land in rivers, dams, and places where it's going to get pushed into seas and oceans. And then the water, they're going to keep mixing. And then it's just going to make it a little bad. And it's going to make it a bad reasoning for our water changes. Now, I also said it can reflect, observe, or transmit. And it can do this by light. Let's first talk about observing. We should all know the water cycle by now. When all the things go up, some of the evaporation go to the sun. And when it goes to the sun gets more powerful and stronger and has more rays. And it sends some of its rays to us. And sometimes we don't get the rays. The water naturally does. When the water gets it, the water and the light, they have this really cool chemical reaction going on. And when that happens, it's usually like light versus water. And light will technically win because of light has a stronger chemical reaction. And with the stronger chemical reaction, whatever the strongest color of the beam is, and the colors can only be the colors of the rainbow. So one of the colors will go into the water and change it. Now let us talk about transmitting. It's almost the same process. The light comes, we do the chemical reaction, but for 25%, water is just a little stronger. Because when it comes, it's going to land in a weak spot where the water is going to say, go away, go to a weaker spot, not us. So it's going to go and move as a light. And then when it goes to a really weak spot, it's going to say, okay, I found a weak spot. Then they're going to do the battle, and there it's going to have a different color. And our last reasoning for the day is reflecting. A way it reflects, so reflecting means an image copies but sends off. And when we do that in water, it's going to be a bit bent, which is okay, of course, right? But when it comes, the light will be on the water, and naturally it's because of the sky. So the sky is blue, our water will be blue. And in that case, the water actually really didn't change. It's just the way the light is going to the water, but as a reflection. And a fun fact is that by 2100, the study of this, the scientists are estimating by then 50% of Earth's ocean and sea waters will be changed by their color, and they will have this experience by then. And when the light it changes, water doesn't stop at that place, of course. It keeps moving. And if the chemical reaction gets stronger and stronger, it's going to spread. And there's more water beyond this world, of course, and then it's going to collapse. Then more and more water are going to get this color change. And which is a way that by almost the end of this world, all the water will have this experience of color changing. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about, how oceans can just change their color by either the climate change, observing, transmitting, or reflecting light. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. Have a good day. See you soon, friends. Bye. Have a good day.